Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about how to reduce the friction. So, four methods for reducing friction we know that. One is by polishing the rough surfaces. Second one, using ball bearings. And third one, using lubricants. The fourth one is streamlining. Okay? Today we are going to explain types of friction. The friction is mainly classified into three types. What are they? Static friction, kinetic friction, and rolling friction. Static friction is denoted by Fs, kinetic friction is denoted by Fk, rolling friction is denoted by Fr. Okay. Before going to explain the static friction and kinetic friction and rolling friction, we take one example. Okay, let us consider one horizontal table. In the table, you take one object. The mass of the object, generally we are considering 10 kgs. So, one end of the object is connected into one string. Another end of the string is connected to hanging mass through a frictionless pulley. Okay, so generally now we are considered one horizontal table. On the table we are taking one object. The mass of the object is 10 kgs. So now I am taking one string. One end of the string is connected to the object. So another end of the string is connected hanging mass through a frictionless pulley. So now how many forces are acting on the body? So we know that generally the weight of the body acting towards downward direction, W is equal to mg, and normal force acting opposite to the weight, perpendicular to the surface, so N is acting upward direction. So next one is applied force or external force acting towards this direction. Okay, so now I am increasing weight gradually. So the weight of the body is 10 kg. Now hanging mass 5 kg mass. The body will move on the surface? No. But because the weight of the body is 10 kg, now we are giving only 5 kg mass. So now gradually increasing the hanging mass 5 kg to 6 kg and 6 kg to 7 kg, 8 kg, 9 kg up to 10 kg. What happened? When we are increasing the applied force or hanging mass, what happened? So the friction force also increases up to 10 kg. When we are hanging 10 kg mass, so body mass is 10 kg. So the friction force also developed, increasing with the applied force. So when we are increasing the applied force, the friction force also increases. The friction force try to keep the body rest. The friction force try to keep the body rest up to. So the external force should be equal to the weight of the body. Okay. So at that time, in between body and surface having maximum friction. So the maximum friction is said to be static friction. So static friction also called as limiting friction or self-adjusting friction. Right? So when we are increasing the external force, the friction force also increases. Okay? So increases, it reaches a maximum value. At that maximum value, so the friction force try to keep the body in rest. When we are giving 11 kgs, so more than mass of the body, we are giving external force. What happened? The body tends to move on the surface. Tends to move on the surface. Before moving, it having maximum friction. The friction is said to be static friction. The static friction is denoted by Fs. When we are giving external force is more, compared to the weight of the body, so the body can move on the surface. At that time, the friction is called as kinetic friction. So the kinetic friction also called as dynamic friction or sliding friction. So the frictional force is developed between two bodies when the bodies are moving on the surface. The frictional force is called a kinetic frictional force. Kinetic friction. Okay. The maximum friction is developed between two bodies when they are in rest. That is called as static friction. The maximum friction force is developed between two bodies when they are motion. When they are motion, that is called as kinetic friction. Kinetic friction. Okay. So what is called rolling friction? A particular objects like circular orbits. So rolling on the surface. At that time, the friction is called as rolling friction. So the particular orbits like circular orbits. The circular orbits are rolling on the surface. At that time, the friction is called as rolling friction. So generally we know that the car tires are rolling on the road. So the friction between the tire and road is called rolling friction. Rolling friction. So the frictions are mainly classified into three types. What are they? Static friction. Static friction is called as when the body is in rest, it having maximum friction between body and surface. So that is called as static friction. When the body is in motion on the surface, at that time the friction is called as kinetic friction. When the body is rolling on the surface, at that time the friction between body and surface is called as rolling friction. Rolling friction is denoted by Fr. Okay, so Fs is always greater than Fk and Fk is greater than Fr. So compared to these three frictions, static friction is more comparing with kinetic friction. The kinetic friction is more comparing with rolling friction. So these are the three types of frictions. Okay.